In today's video, I'll teach you how to send a CV via email on phone. So if you want to send a CV via the phone, first of all make sure your CV is saved on the phone. The preferred format is PDF so that the formatting stays the same. So after you do that, what you have to do is open the Gmail application on your device. Now you can see over here Gmail has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account, or instead of Gmail you can also open Outlook or your preferred email app. If you have opened the Gmail, tap on this option compose that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to compose the email. In the recipient section, what you have to do is enter your recipient's email address. Now once you do that, enter the subject line over here. Tap on the field of subject. Now enter the subject. You can also compose the email if you want. Enter your message. Now after you're done, in order to attach the CV, tap on the attach icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. If your CV is in the photo format, tap on this option photos. If you have saved it as the file, tap on this option file that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to select the file that has to be sent. Simply tap on your CV. Now once you do that, tap on the select option that you can see at the top of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your CV will be attached. So what you have to do is tap on the send icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, wait for a while. Now you can see over here your email has been sent. So like this, you'll be able to send a CV via the email on phone. So that is how you send a CV via email on phone. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.